Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're drawing Quirrell.
Yeah, Quirrel. I like Quirrel.
Faiz calls him Quirrell. But his name is Quirrell, he's from Hollow Knight. Faiz is still very much obsessed with Hollow Knight, so
Yes,
here we go.
it's kind of my fault of playing the game
Okay, easy.
and beat the game.
Yeah, you've beaten the game. Okay, so we start at the top in the middle.
Okay.
And we're going to draw sort of an angled line just like that. You got that? Okay. So below that we'll add a U shape for a face to fit in there. Okay, so now we're just going to add two big eyes. My eyes are almost too close together, but that's fine, it's fine. We'll just continue. You good? Okay, so this line on top here is actually a mask he has lifted up over his head. So we're going to do a domed line on top there and bring it back down to meet the other edge. Okay, and now we draw these two eyes, so that one is on the other side there. That's why you just
I know the max is the dreamer, but I forgot what the name of it.
okay, the dreamer mask, but you forgot the name.
Yeah.
Okay, and we draw two smaller little nostril-like dots and sort of a line going across,
That crack.
and we add a little crack. Yeah, it's yours. That's correct. I'm gonna we'll color in the eyes with coloring pencils when we get there. Okay, so now we add an outer line here around the face. Oh, markers are dry. And we bring it around wide to the back there. And then we add some lines going down here as well.
Good done.
Okay, yeah, our markers are dipping. I should have gotten other markers, but yeah. Okay, so now, Izzy, we're going to draw a belly line. He's got a bit of a belly.
Yes.
But I'm going to draw it here. Watch me. Come down to the fat belly. And we stop right there.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're just going to leave a little space there because there's another part of the drawing going to protrude into that area.
The nail.
Yeah, his nail, which is also his sword. It's known as a nail. And we complete this line going up the belly line. And now we draw some happy ovals going here. His fat tummy. Yep. Drawing's looking confusing at the moment. Yeah? If you're not sure what we're drawing, it doesn't look like much as it is. Oh, and did you just add his back into it already? Okay, I'm gonna add my back now. You went ahead, Easy went ahead and done his own thing. So now I need to draw the back line. His arm is gonna protrude out of there, but it's okay because his arm is black.
Yes.
Okay, but I think I'm gonna leave a space. Oh, now we make his arm completely black and draw a space and just leave a space again. And I'm gonna add my bottom line there, and that's gonna be his back area. But I'm gonna leave it just like that. Then for the easy part, we draw two long legs. It's just like lines. And they get colored in black as well. That's that. And another one this side. Before we do another splatter, we need more markers. I keep forgetting. And now, this bit is a bit tricky. So we're going to draw a line coming out, because this is his one hand there. And we do another line there. We can make it black, one thick black line there. Then easy, we draw the shape like, just watch me, a wider shape on top. And we bring it narrow, and we just do that for now. See the shape I've got here? Color that black. Can you see it's like a hand, and a thumb is gonna come out there and his finger is gonna be down there. So for the thumb part, we just draw a finger, short stubby finger is your thumb.
Yes.
And we're going to overlap some fingers just like that. Just draw lines as fingers and put a little bend in them. Correct? Here we go. You got it?
Yes. Quirrel.
Yeah, Quirrel looks good. Okay, so now here's the tricky part. We draw the handle of his nail or his sword just over there. And I can actually bring that there now, complete that line. Now I'm going to draw his arm coming out here. I'm going to double it up so it looks thicker. Thicker line for the arm. The elbow and the forearm bit here. And the marker is almost gone. Here's my elbow and my forearm bit. And I'm going to draw a little curved line just like that. And I'm going to widen this part and draw another curved line. And I'll have like what looks like a curved rectangular shape. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. And now I'm going to add fingertips coming out of there just like that. Just lines. Yeah, and one line going down there can look like a thumb. And now that's his other hand. And now I can complete the sword, the nail. So draw a little hilt of a nail there, like a sword would have. The other part is under the hand. And just doing a long spike coming back here. Pointy spike. And that's his nail.
Yep.
Okay, easy, almost done. So now I need more of these lines going across here.
I forgot. Done.
And I'll draw one down here as well. And I can actually use the last of my marker to do his eyes and his legs so that we have the same shade in there. Did you already do yours?
I already did the legs.
Yeah. My marker is almost done. I don't think I'm going to make it to the legs. Okay, and the eyes on this helmet. The eyes on the mask rather.
I already done that.
You've done that already. And yeah, I'll use black pencil for that. And that's Quirrel, everybody. So this character actually helps you.
Only one time.
Only one time. Okay.
You
still help though.
He helped me to defeat that giant exploding jellyfish.
Oh, the Umu.
Yes.
He helped you defeat the Umu. Okay, so time for color, everybody.
Yep, and I fight the sun.
And he fought the sun. Yeah. Okay. The sun being the radiance.
Yeah.
Okay. Color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Quirrel. So, is he defeated the boss?
Yes.
Quirrel helped him out.
Yes.
You also defeated the Radiants and you finished the game.
Yes. I fight my half brother and my half sister, aka Hornet. They want me to do a dream. I don't do the dream, and I like, so now if I fight the sun, then the rain, like, oh, that right. But here's the thing. I lose 3 times until with Grim Child.
Okay, so
You want to do Grim Child?
you can draw Grim Child at some point as well.
Or Grim?
So, or Grim. So, is he lost to the Radiants 3 times?
Yes.
Oh, and then on the 4th time you beat him with the Grim Child.
Yes.
Okay, so that's that. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye. Waddle.